Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification virus from your Android 14. So let's start. If you see something like that, or when you're trying to visit any site or spamming pop-ups in the notification bar, that means you have a notification software, and you can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So now I'm gonna show you the first method. We have to open the settings, then go to the apps and tap on the See All Apps. Now check the list, all the apps on the list. If you see something strange, the app that you haven't installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize the name of it, just tap on it, click on install and click OK. After that, go back to the app list and look for your web browser. In my case it's Google Chrome. Now go to the storage and cache and tap on the clear storage. Tap on the clear all data in this place and click OK. After that, your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way is small for you, you can also try to download antivirus app, so go to the Google Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm using Avast, so in this application you have to click on the green circle and tap on the allow and grant up permissions to the files. Now go back to the antivirus app, choose the deep scan, and now after the scanning process, all of the unwanted softwares, viruses should be deleted from your phone. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, recommend, and goodbye.